Welcome to Design Eye. I'm Heather, your host and expert in interior and exterior design. In today's video, we're exploring beautiful living room plant decor ideas. I'll share stunning images and insights into how these design choices enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Let's dive in and get inspired. In this beautiful living room, the choice of plants adds both vibrancy and a touch of nature to the space. I love how the variety of greenery, from the large monstera to the smaller potted plants, creates a lush and inviting atmosphere. The hanging plants add vertical interest, making the most of the space without overcrowding it. The woven rattan lampshade complements the natural theme, adding a cozy and rustic feel to the room. The arrangement of plants around the couch creates a serene and relaxing corner, perfect for unwinding. The green throw pillows tie in seamlessly with the plants, enhancing the cohesive look. The mix of textures, from the smooth leaves to the woven and patterned pillows, adds depth and interest. Functionally, the plants not only purify the air, but also provide a calming ambiance. However, I might consider adding a bit more lighting, perhaps a floor lamp near the couch, to ensure the area remains well lit for reading or other activities. Overall, this design is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to create a lively and refreshing living space with a touch of nature. In this sophisticated living room, I admire the elegant balance between modern design and comfort. The tall fiddle leaf fig plant near the window is a fantastic choice, adding a splash of greenery that contrasts beautifully with the neutral color palette. The large windows allow natural light to flood the space, enhancing the room's airy feel and offering a breathtaking cityscape view. I love the use of various textures, from the plush couch and pillows to the sleek marble surfaces on the coffee and side tables. The brass accents, including the floor lamp and side table, add a touch of warmth and sophistication, tying the room together with a cohesive metallic theme. Functionally, the arrangement is perfect for both relaxation and social gatherings. The seating is oriented to encourage conversation while taking advantage of the stunning views. I might add a few more colorful pillows or a throw blanket to introduce a bit more contrast and coziness. Overall, this design is a perfect blend of style and functionality, making it a welcoming and stylish living space. In this chic and cozy living room, I am drawn to the dramatic contrast created by the dark, built-in shelving and the lighter furniture. The deep navy backdrop for the entertainment center is both bold and elegant, making the TV and decor items stand out beautifully. The gold accents and the light fixtures and sconces add a touch of luxury and warmth to the space. The large sectional couch is perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests, providing ample seating while maintaining a streamlined look. I appreciate the mix of textures, from the soft throw blanket to the patterned pillows, which add depth and interest to the seating area. The placement of the plant near the window is ideal, benefiting from natural light and adding a refreshing pop of green that softens the darker tones of the room. Functionally, the open shelves offer great storage and display options, but I might add a few more personal touches like family photos or travel souvenirs to make the space feel even more personalized. Overall, this design is a striking and functional living area that balances comfort with sophisticated style. In this sophisticated living room, I am captivated by the harmonious blend of modern and natural elements. The large tropical leaves in the glass vase serve as a stunning centerpiece, bringing a vibrant touch of nature that contrasts beautifully with the neutral tones of the furniture. The clean lines of the gray sofa and the elegant streamlined console table add to the room's contemporary feel. I love how the open shelves are styled with a mix of books, art, and decorative objects, creating a visually appealing and personalized display. The artwork above the fireplace adds a calming yet striking focal point that ties the room together. The modern chandelier with its wooden accents complements the dark wood shelves, adding warmth and cohesion to the design. Functionally, the space is well organized, with the console table providing additional surface area for decor or serving. The plush stools underneath are a smart addition, offering extra seating without cluttering the room. I might suggest adding a cozy throw or a few more cushions to the sofa to enhance comfort and add a bit more texture. Overall, this design is a perfect example of how to blend style and functionality, creating a living area that is both inviting and visually stunning. In this stylish and eclectic living room, I appreciate the mix of mid-century modern furniture and bold artistic elements. The tall fiddle leaf fig trees on either side of the room provide a balanced symmetry and bring a touch of nature indoors, which softens the clean lines of the furniture. The blue sofa adds a pop of color and contrasts nicely with the warm wooden tones of the floor and the vintage sideboard. The unique hand-shaped chair is a standout piece, adding a playful yet artistic touch that draws the eye. The black and white abstract rug complements the overall aesthetic, tying together the monochromatic elements in the decor. The use of black accents throughout the room, such as the vases and the minimalist floor lamp, creates a cohesive look. Functionally, the space feels open and inviting, perfect for both relaxation and social gatherings. The natural light flooding through the large windows enhances the airy and spacious feel of the room. One change I might suggest is adding a few more cushions or a throw on the sofa to increase comfort and add a bit more texture. Overall, this design is a perfect example of how to blend different styles and elements to create a cohesive, visually appealing living space that feels both modern and welcoming. In this cozy and inviting living room, I love how the combination of warm earth tones and soft textures creates a welcoming atmosphere. The gray sofa, paired with an array of pillows in various shades of white and brown, offers both comfort and style. The large leafy plant in the woven basket adds a refreshing touch of greenery, making the space feel more vibrant and alive. The gallery wall above the sofa is a fantastic design choice, adding visual interest and a personal touch. I appreciate the mix of abstract and botanical prints, which complement the room's overall aesthetic. The dark accent wall behind the white wainscoting provides a striking contrast, helping the artwork stand out. Functionally, the coffee table is both practical and charming, providing a perfect spot for decorative items and serving guests. One change I might suggest is incorporating a few more plants or a taller floor lamp in the corner to enhance the room's coziness and add another layer of texture. Overall, this design is a wonderful example of how to create a comfortable and stylish living area that feels both personal and inviting. In this elegant living room, I'm impressed by the balance of light and dark elements, creating a serene and sophisticated atmosphere. The white fireplace, with its intricate detailing, serves as a stunning focal point, complemented by the soft gray walls and the white furniture. The addition of blue accents, particularly the pillows and the armchair, introduces a calming contrast that enhances the room's tranquil feel. The wooden coffee table with its rustic finish adds warmth and a touch of natural texture, perfectly grounding the space. I appreciate the strategic placement of plants, such as the one by the fireplace, which brings a refreshing touch of greenery and livens up the neutral palette. Functionally, the layout is excellent for both relaxation and entertainment, with seating arranged to encourage conversation and a clear view of the fireplace and TV. The use of a light patterned rug ties the room together, adding softness underfoot and defining the seating area. One change I might consider is adding a few more personal touches, like family photos or a cozy throw, to make the space feel even more inviting. Overall, this design achieves a beautiful balance of style and comfort, making it an ideal living area for any home. In this eclectic and cozy living room, I love the combination of textures and colors that create a unique and inviting atmosphere. The plush, furry chair looks incredibly comfortable and adds a playful element to the room. The olive green velvet sofa is both stylish and comfortable, making it a perfect spot to relax with a book or entertain guests. The abstract patterned rug is a standout feature, adding visual interest and tying together the different elements in the room. I appreciate the mid-century modern touch of the wooden coffee table and the sideboard under the window, which provide both functionality and a nod to classic design. The plants are strategically placed to add life and freshness to the space, while the large windows allow natural light to flood in, enhancing the room's airy feel. The warm wooden tones of the flooring and furniture create a cozy ambiance, perfect for unwinding after a long day. One change I might suggest is adding a few more colorful cushions or throws to the sofa to introduce more pops of color and texture. Overall, this design is a fantastic blend of comfort, style, and personality, making it a truly welcoming living space. In this vibrant and eclectic living room, I am immediately drawn to the joyful mix of colors and textures. The mustard yellow sofa is a bold choice that adds a warm and sunny vibe to the space, while the teal blue couch provides a cool contrast, creating a dynamic and visually appealing palette. The array of patterned pillows enhances the playful atmosphere and invites comfort. The eclectic decor, including the unique light fixture and the variety of plants, brings a touch of bohemian charm to the room. The lush greenery adds life and freshness, beautifully balancing the bright colors of the furniture. I love how the room feels both lively and cozy, with personal touches like the framed artwork and decorative items that tell a story. The functional layout is perfect for socializing and relaxation, with ample seating options and a centrally placed coffee table that's ideal for gatherings. One suggestion I might offer is to add a few more light sources, such as floor lamps, to enhance the room's brightness in the evenings. Overall, this living room is a delightful blend of style, comfort, and personality, making it a perfect space for both everyday living and entertaining guests. In this chic and modern living room, I am captivated by the unique and playful design choices. The standout piece is the bubble-like sofa, which not only adds a fun and whimsical touch, but also looks incredibly comfortable. The round shapes of the furniture, including the poufs and coffee table, create a cohesive and harmonious look, making the space feel soft and inviting. The use of a light, neutral color palette with pops of color, such as the green checkered pillow and the red lamp, adds a lively and cheerful vibe to the room. I love the abundance of natural light flooding in through the large windows, enhancing the bright and airy feel of the space. The small plants scattered around add a touch of greenery and life, contributing to the room's fresh and vibrant atmosphere. The minimalistic decor on the coffee table with just a few stylish items keeps the space uncluttered and serene. One change I might suggest is adding a cozy throw blanket or a few more colorful cushions to the sofa to increase comfort and introduce more texture. Overall, this design is a fantastic blend of modern aesthetics and playful elements, creating a living area that is both stylish and welcoming. In this charming and cozy living room, I am struck by the soothing neutral tones and the beautifully curated decor. The natural textures, such as the woven rattan lampshade and chair, add warmth and a touch of rustic charm. The beige and cream color palette creates a calming and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. The small fireplace adds a cozy focal point, making the room feel warm and homely. I love the use of greenery with the potted plant, which brings life and freshness to the space. The combination of open shelves and closed cabinets provides both display and storage options, keeping the room tidy and organized. The coffee table, with its simple design and delicate decor items, is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. I appreciate the thoughtful details, like the round mirror above the fireplace and the decorative objects on the shelves, which add personality and style to the room. One change I might suggest is adding a few more textured cushions or a soft throw blanket to the chair to enhance comfort and add another layer of coziness. Overall, this design is a delightful blend of simplicity and elegance, creating a living area that feels both stylish and comfortable. In this elegant and spacious living room, I am drawn to the perfect blend of classic and contemporary elements. The use of natural light streaming in through the large windows enhances the room's airy and inviting feel. The white sofa with its striking red pillows adds a bold pop of color, creating a focal point that draws the eye. The mix of mid-century modern furniture, including the iconic egg chair and the wooden accent chairs, adds a touch of sophistication and timeless style. The black and white patterned rug anchors the seating area, adding visual interest and tying the room together. The art pieces on the walls and the strategically placed plants add a touch of personality and life to the space. The large floor lamp provides both function and style, illuminating the room while complementing the modern aesthetic. Functionally, the layout is ideal for both conversation and relaxation, with seating arranged to encourage interaction. One change I might suggest is adding a few more cozy elements, like a soft throw or additional pillows, to increase comfort and warmth. Overall, this design masterfully combines elegance and modernity, creating a living area that is both stylish and welcoming. In this delightful and whimsical living room, I am captivated by the charming blend of playful decor and natural elements. The large monstera plant near the staircase adds a lush, tropical touch, making the room feel lively and fresh. I love the way the greenery extends across the wall with the trailing vines, creating a sense of continuity and connection with nature. The light gray sofa, adorned with a mix of patterned and solid pillows, looks inviting and comfortable, perfect for lounging. The colorful wall art and educational posters add a playful and educational vibe, making the space feel both fun and functional. The toys and play items scattered around indicate a family-friendly environment, where both adults and children can enjoy. The area rug with its subtle pattern ties the room together, providing a soft and cozy surface for play. The use of natural light through the large windows brightens the space, enhancing the airy feel. One change I might suggest is incorporating a few more storage solutions, such as baskets or bins, to keep the toys organized when not in use. Overall, this design is a wonderful blend of style, comfort, and playfulness, making it an ideal living space for a family. In this warm and inviting living room, I am drawn to the perfect blend of rustic and contemporary elements. The exposed wooden beams on the ceiling add a charming touch of rustic character, while the neutral color palette keeps the space feeling light and airy. The large, leafy plant in the corner brings a refreshing touch of greenery, making the room feel alive and vibrant. The seating arrangement is both practical and cozy, with a mix of textures from the soft white sofa to the leather armchair. The combination of pillows and throws enhances the comfort level, making it an ideal spot for relaxation. I love the use of natural materials, such as the woven chair and the wooden coffee table, which add warmth and texture to the room. The large window allows plenty of natural light to flood in, further enhancing the room's bright and welcoming feel. The thoughtfully placed decor items, like the guitar on the wall and the decorative pieces on the shelves, add a personal touch and make the space feel lived in and loved. One suggestion I might make is to add a few more light sources, such as floor lamps or table lamps, to ensure the room remains well lit in the evenings. Overall, this design is a wonderful example of how to create a comfortable and stylish living space that feels both modern and timeless. In this stylish and modern living room, I am immediately struck by the bold use of color and texture. The black fireplace serves as a dramatic focal point, contrasting beautifully with the soft blush pink walls. The round mirror above the mantel not only reflects light, making the room feel larger, but also adds a contemporary touch. I love how the greenery, from the tall plants to the cascading vines, adds a refreshing and organic element to the space. The mix of vases and decorative objects on the mantel creates an interesting and balanced display. The artwork, with its minimalist lines and contrasting black and white tones, complements the overall aesthetic and adds a touch of sophistication. The cozy chair, with its soft throw and vibrant cushion, looks like the perfect spot to relax with a good book. The sideboard provides additional storage and display space, maintaining the room's clean and organized feel. One change I might suggest is incorporating a few more light sources, such as a floor lamp or additional table lamps, to ensure the room is well lit in the evenings. Overall, this design masterfully blends modern elegance with cozy comfort, creating a living space that is both stylish and inviting. Thank you for joining me on this journey through beautiful living room plant decor ideas. I hope you found inspiration for your own space. Don't forget to subscribe to Design Eye for more design tips and ideas. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love.